Now this is a set of question where we have column 1 and column 2, where in the column 1 there are a few characteristic feature of androecium, and in the column 2 these are the respective families to which it is assigned. So the first character represents presence of 6 stamens, polyandrous, tetradynamous condition. So the number of these stamens, if you look at, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these central ones here at the center, these have an elongated filament. These are longer, these are tall, we can say. These are longer stamens. And the ones which are at extremes, these are the shorter stamens. So such a condition where we have 4 long stamens and 2 short stamens, this condition we call it as tetradynamous condition, and this is a characteristic feature of Brassicaceae or mustard family, or simply we call it as cruciferae. So this match or this option is the correct one. 3 stamens in a whorl with versatile anthers. Now the number of stamens are 3, and most important hint which is given here is versatile anthers. Versatile means this anther is attached at the center to a filament, and as a result of which it can move freely. And this is an adaptation of a wind pollination, where because of a wind these stamens, or there is a pollen dispersal, and this is exactly a characteristic feature in grass family, or we call it as Gramineae or Poaceae. So this match is also a correct match. Numerous stamens. So if you look at these stamens, these are referred as numerous stamens. It is also represented as infinity. So infinite stamens can be asked, or a question can be given where the stamens are infinite. So you have to remember numerous or infinite represents many stamens. Monadalphous condition. This is in a single bundle. We call this as monadalphous condition. That is, they are in a single, they form a single bundle. They form a staminal tube. Now this tube here, through which actually the style enters, we call this as, this is represented as this is a staminal tube here, by the union of filaments. So these are the filaments and they unite to form a tube. We call it as staminal tube, through which the style of the gynoecium or the ovary style and stigma, it passes through this staminal tube. And kidney shaped anthers, reniform or kidney shaped. So these characters represent family Malvaceae. So this is also correctly matched. Anthers may be absent in ray florets, or there may be 5 stamens, epipetalous condition. So if you consider this as a petal, and if you consider this as a stamen which is attached to this petal, so this condition is epipetalous. And in the ray florets, anthers are absent, and in disc florets which are present at the center, these anthers are epipetalous and syngenesis, where the anthers are fused whereas the filaments are free. Syngenesis anthers, characteristic feature of Compositae family. So all the given match, column 1 and column 2, are exactly correct, and the option is 1A, 2B, 3C and 4D. So the correct option in this case is C. So please revise these characters, quite important characters, and they can be frequently asked. Thank you.